Hello, it's Lloyd here, and I'm stood in the park in Valldemossa, a beautiful town in Mallorca. We're on holiday, and obviously, as I've said in previous videos, I'm continuing with my practice, continuing drawing, continuing working every day. We've been to some beautiful art galleries, saw some amazing Dali work, some Henry Moore, which is really cool. Yeah, so it's been absolutely wonderful. I'm going to very quickly show you in a little while some of my drawings that I've done on my holiday, just to kind of show that I've been keeping it up, keep going. And it doesn't always have to be perfect. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just like in my sketchbook, I used to be really precious about like, oh, it's got to be perfect. I can't show anybody. But it's not. It's about working things out. It's about trying and pushing and having a go and doing different things. So we sat out the other night and I was drawing our little our street, and it was beautiful. And as the light kind of came down, and I started to do a little still life as well, which is really nice and it's really enjoyable. So yeah, pushing myself, doing things that I'm not normally not known for. So I'm normally a portrait artist. People know me as being a portrait artist, but just pushing myself and just trying to improve my practice. That's my thing. Okay, thanks guys. Okay, so this is my sketchbook over the holidays. So I'm just going to show you what I've drawn. It's not going to be like what you probably think. It's going to be all landscapes and things like that. Those of you that know me know that I love portraiture. Landscapes are not my favourite thing to paint and draw, but I have actually tried to do that, and I pushed myself a little bit with doing some still lifes and stuff. So obviously here on Vaso, we were waiting and on the 21st of July, so it's just it's my part of my practice is to draw every single day, or to paint every single day. So there's this here, and I've got a little still life. Hopefully you can see what that is. That's just the couch that was in our little house there. It was a beautiful house in Valldemossa. This is my beautiful daughter's drawing. I let my daughter and my son have a go in my sketchbook, because I don't want to be too precious about it. I want them to express what their creativity, and I think they're amazing. She's only 3 and she's drawing so well. She's amazing. So this is this is Sa Calabra, this is the rocks and things. I just thought it was a beautiful shape of the rocks coming down and then the sea coming across. And this is the start, this is the top of our town here, and this is a little bit of cloth that I saw. Like literally I will draw every day. Sometimes I haven't got a lot of time to draw, so I will just draw what's there in front of me. This is our street, and you can hopefully see just coming down. This is our Valldemossa, and literally was at night as well. This is a still life in La Noche, or in La Tarde, but it was just as the night was drawing in. I just wanted to draw something else, so we were sat outside. It was beautiful. We were having some homemade tapas. And there we are. I was drawing that for breakfast the next day. So my little daughter eating a yogurt. So I wanted to just have a quick sketch of what she was doing, and just got carried away a bit with that. And this is my little boy. Yeah, again, he doesn't mi hijo. He doesn't stay still for very long. I think I caught him quite well there. Just a bit of pen, just changing what I do. Now this is amazing. I'm not saying the sketch is amazing, but it was really amazing to see Chopin was there. I didn't realise that he lived in Valldemossa, and there was a bust there. I've taken some photos and things, and I'm going to try and maybe do a painting of that, because it was really interesting. And I was really taken with some of the rock formations in one of the beaches that we went to. This is the Port of Valldemossa, and I've got some photo reference here, and I might do some a painting there, because it was really beautiful. I thought about the rock formation contrasting with just this beautiful blue sky. I really like that. So we're waiting. Well, actually, this is a siesta. This is my wife. Just having a little rest, because bless her, she did all the driving over the holiday. I wasn't allowed to drive, insurance purposes or whatever. And yeah, and this is my little daughter. Again, very, very quick sketch here. She was walking around in a swimming gear, And yeah, I just wanted to kind of capture that, just only a few lines, and I think I definitely captured the way she stands. Self-portrait, we were waiting for a party, it was pretty late, and I just wanted to again just get my drawing in, so I stood in the bathroom mirror and just very quickly, at 10:20 at night, I'm going to sound really rock and roll here, but I'm usually in bed by then. But yeah, so this was pretty cool. My kids, and we all had a lovely dance and things. So this is again a very quick sketch of my son, very quick. And what we got next? So it's siesta. It's my wife, just having a little break. And then this is, I love this. This is the blanket that fell down, and I just really wanted to capture, the folds and things, and a little bit of tapestry there. This was cool. This was the this was on the pipe, the water pipe going down. So I just thought I'd capture that. I hadn't noticed it. My wife pointed it out to me. This is something I'm going to be working on. This is a beautiful old church. And they had these beautiful coloured streamers coming out, so I'm going to see if I can do a nice little landscape there as well. This is a mixture of this, so this is taken from life. So very quick. I don't know if I got some photo reference, but this is a scene at the beach, yeah. And then this was one of the skulls that we found in the Natural History Museum that was there. It was really beautiful, really interesting. And lastly, these are some of the mountains. They're beautiful mountains that we had as we were driving out, so I just wanted to kind of capture that. And hopefully you can see I've got the depth there. And again, I've got some photographic evidence and things, so I can maybe use that to do some paintings over later on. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you. I wasn't idle over my little holiday. I work every day, and I work every single day. I'm always thinking. So one of the most amazing things about going away on holiday and visiting new places is you see things that you're not going to normally see, and there always seems to be art everywhere. It's just so exciting, and all types of art. So here we've got a bust of Chopin. Look at this. Hopefully you can see that. And there it is. So Frederick Chopin there, and this park is full of these busts of these important figures of history in Mallorca and Valldemossa and things. So it's really lovely to see, really lovely to experience. We've had a great time, and it's been very arty as well. It's been amazing, so I've been really pleased. Thanks guys, bye bye. So there you go, there we have it. That's the little sketchbook tour of what I got up to when I was in Spain, in Valldemossa, in Mallorca. Lots and lots of lovely things to see. Not as many kind of landscapes, but that's not really what captures my interest. I want, for me it's all about people and things, but I wanted to push myself a little bit with the still life and stuff like that, and a little bit of the some of the landscape that I recorded as well. All right, learned a lot. That's always important, and there's just so much beauty everywhere. It's absolutely amazing. It makes you wonder, makes you realize that wherever you go, there's lots and lots of amazing things to see. Always lots and lots of art. All right, thanks guys, bye bye.